The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is...
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with AliGrace hair once more. Alright, same packaging as usual. Also in the bag, like the package that everything came in, I got this like pamphlet here, and the social media is listed in here. You know, it also has hair care, and yeah, so that has a lot of information. And then I got a pair of wig caps in the bag. All we have today is the wig. Also, I must tell you guys that AliExpress is now having a big sale with a huge discount. So you guys want to go ahead and check that out. As you can see, I placed some information on the screen with you know the sale that's going on. So you can go ahead, make use of that. The holidays are coming up. I keep on saying this, and I mean, one of these wigs as a gift to your best friend, your sister, your cousin, just anybody that you want to give would be so nice. So check it out. Yeah, didn't get much goodies, just the booklet and just the pamphlet and the wig caps. That's it. So let's get into what we got. Guys, we're working with inches today. Guys, this is 30 inches long. AliGrace come out today with another lengthy wig. It's actually one of my companies that I've always had on my list for, you know, good lengthy wigs. And yeah, so this is also 180% in density, so I love that it's not too heavy, and it is of a natural color. Also, this is a 13x6 lace front wig. As it gets on the side, it's not as deep, but for the most part in the mid portion is 13x6, and you could give this a nice deep part or center part. So I'm loving that. Also on the inside we have 4 combs and adjustable straps in the back. You could also go ahead and bleach this and tint this if you like, because as you can see, it didn't come like that. But if you don't have as much time in the world, you can go ahead and use makeup like powder or foundation to camouflage it, to blend seamlessly with your skin tone. Oh, by the way, it also came pre-plucked, so that's another plus. I mean, if a wig company is not plucking their wigs for you, what are they doing, right? Yeah, so this is really nice. This is really, really nice. Look at that bounce. I am so ready. Let's go. So for today's wig install, guys, I'm gonna be doing glue. Yeah, so you know, we can have a nice lasting install. And as you can see, it's Bodywaves that we're working with. Look at that. That is gorgeous. So this literally is at my waist. That looks so good. So I cut off the excess lace around the ear portion, so that's sitting really, really nice. Love that. Absolutely stunning. I'm here contemplating if I want to, like, you know, I don't know, we're gonna see how this, because these waves, they look so good. We're gonna see how it looks at the end. But as you can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started on the glue process. As usual, this is a glue that I've been using since the other day, my Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive, and it's a decent lace glue, you know, so I really cannot complain. It gets the job done, you know. It gives me nice long-lasting installs. So as you can see, I cleanse away any residue that might be there along the hairline. And now I'm just gonna get started, which I'm gonna fast forward through this portion.
But all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better?
I did the same thing to the next side. So before I go ahead and I move on with the melting process, I'm gonna take some makeup to help camouflage the hairline a little bit more and make it, like, you know, blend in more, since it didn't come pre-bleached nor plucked nor anything. I'm just gonna take, you know, you could take your face powder or anything and take your time and kind of detail, pat through the hairline, ensuring you kind of, you know, eliminate the cast. We don't want the casty look at all. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting away the extra lace. Area that's lifting up, today I'm just gonna use a little bit of spritz. I'm gonna spray it on the end of my rat tail comb, because the dispenser has a way to be very messy when spraying, so I'm put it on my rat tail comb directly. So guys, I'm not all done and this looks really good, and I still have further to go. This is just me, like, after just putting down whatever free edge may be left after cutting away the excess lace, and it looks so good. I'm just gonna do my little swoops too. I'm gonna do light swoops for this. I love how it looks, love it. So I took out just the parts that I want to do a light swoop with, and now I'm gonna just get my hot comb with some of my wax to kind of get the hair flatter, and I'm going to go through this very detail. I'm gonna do a nice bust down center part. Yeah, get it real sleek. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go through the hair. You know, I've shown you this before with my hot comb and my wax to get it as flat as possible. Like, I'm serious about that inside. Not that I'm not serious about the rest of them, but one is lay down, sleek. Yeah. Alright guys, I just went ahead and I redefined just the front pieces here to fall a certain way. But guys, the rest of the hair is perfect. I love the waves. Look at that, it's so gorgeous. So that's how that's looking. See, like I took my time and I went super detailed with, like, you know, laying the hair, you know, all done. Guys, I didn't need to like recurl the hair. Look at how gorgeous this is. As I showed you in the beginning, it's past my waist. It looks super good, and I got it super laid. It is so nice. I love the look of this. So this is basically the final look of how the wig turned out. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so gorgeous. Let me know if you found this, you know, video informative today. Like, this wig is absolutely stunning. Look at the movement, look at the waves, and bear in mind, I only redefined like the front. For the most part, I didn't have to touch up back this wig, so it's perfect. So be sure to check my description box for all the details. I'll also leave the link so you can shop this wig if you wish. And that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in my next video. So bye.